Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. I am Vishnu Varman. I hope you are all and you are all well and fine. Today I will discuss about the various important topic. Various important topics that's like international boundaries, parallels, states, and the channel of India, which are more common and significant for the examination of SSC Bank, RRB, NTPC, UPSC, WBCS, and other government job. So this session you will listen carefully until the end of the class. So let's start. First, I discuss about the international boundary of India. When we discuss about the international boundary of India, first of all, we have to know about the international boundary. When we discuss about the definition of international boundary, the boundary are those lines or border between two countries or region is the dividing line between two of them. Sometimes the border also refers to the land close to this line. Here I take two images, first one and second one. That's I let this one is country, this one is country. Here the line, this line I take this line is the actually the this line is I let's add the international boundary. If we see the Indian maps, this one is the Indian and maps where this is the Gujarat states and the Rajasthan states. This one is the Ran of Kutch. This portion is the Pakistan. So Pakistan and India are separated by the red color in this line. This line is known as the international boundary line. The first I mentioned the international boundary line are those lines which is separated of two countries. So this line separated two countries, India and Pakistan. So this is the international boundaries. Next, first I discuss about the international boundary of Radcliffe line. Radcliffe line is the most important for your upcoming examination, for your self preparation for the various governmental job examination. It is more important to your study. So the Radcliffe line, it is a demarcation line between the India and Pakistan. It was drawn by Sir Cyril Radcliffe on 17 August 1947 during the portion of India. The length of the Radcliffe line is 3,320 km. Here this map shown the Radcliffe line. This is the blue color line between India and Pakistan. This green color country is refers to the West Pakistan, This green color country is refers to the Bangladesh. The Radcliffe line separated India before the Independence Day of India. This this is the Radcliffe line which separated West Pakistan and India. This is another Radcliffe line which separated India and East Pakistan. There another information about the Radcliffe line. Radcliffe line is spread through the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the international border in Jammu and Kashmir. If we see the Radcliffe line, this is start from Rann of Kutch and spread through the Rann of Kutch and to the Jammu Kashmir border. It start from Rann of Kutch through Jammu to Jammu Kashmir border. Here Jammu Kashmir and this is the Jammu Kashmir border. Here another map I shown. This line is the Radcliffe line. This is another Radcliffe line. It is dividing India and Pakistan into two different countries. The Radcliffe line actually divide India divide India into two different countries. It is Radcliffe line divided India into three halves. The Radcliffe line divided into three halves: West Pakistan, East Pakistan and India. This is the India, this is India, this is West Pakistan, this is East Pakistan. There is another significant boundary line, Miss McMahon line. It is boundary line between India and China. It is between Tibet region of China and northeast region of India. This boundary line was demarcated by Henry McMahon at 1947 during the Simla Convention. But China does not approve this Simla Accord and the McMahon line, because according to China, Tibet was not a independent state, and for that reason it had no power to sign an treaty. The boundary extends for 550 miles in 890 kimis, covering part from Bhutan in west to 160 miles east, that is the Brahmaputra river. This map I represent to show the McMahon line. This line is the McMahon line. This line, this. This line start from Bhutan and go through to the lower Brahmaputra valley. This is the Tibet, this is the Arunachal Pradesh. Here I am another map used to show this red color line represent as the McMahon line. There is another important line between India and Pakistan before the Independence Day, which is Durand line. Durand line, it is demarcation the line between British India and Afghanistan in 1883, but at present it separated between Afghanistan and Pakistan. It was done by Sir Mortimer Durand in on 1896. The Durand Line forms the Afghanistan border, a Afghanistan and Pakistan border, a 2670 kilometers international border. At present, the line between the countries of Afghanistan and Pakistan in South Asia. The western end runs to the border with Iran. The eastern end to the border with China. There is another information. Durand Line was fixed by British civil servant Sir Henry Mortimer Durand and the then Afghan Amir Abdur Rahman Khan is in 1893 in Kabul during the end of the first phase of the Second Anglo-Afghan War. 6. Information of Durand Line. Durand Line or boundary established in Hindu Kush in 1893, running through the tribal land between Afghanistan and British India. This map shown the Durand line. This yellow color line represent the Durand lines. This line, this line is the Durand line. There is another information about the LOC. LOC is the line of control. It is an effective military boundary line between India and Pakistan. Origin. The line of control came into the existence only after Simla Agreement in 1972. The length of the LOC is 776 km by 2004. This is the Pak Kashmir. This is the Indian Kashmir. This is the LOC line. Why LOC is called LOC? The line of control is a geographical line lying between India and Pakistan, control parts of the former Jammu and Kashmir and controlled by the army. So it is called the LOC. There is another information about LOC. According to Azad, Jammu and the Kashmir Cross LOC Travel and the Trade Authority Act 2016. The following crossing points are listed: Rawalkot, Poonch, Chakoti, Uri, Chaliana, Tiwal, Tatrapani, Mendhar, Hajipir, Sillikot. And there is another point in there is another 8 points included on the LOC, that is Chakoti, Salamabad and Rawalkot, Titinot. Rawalkot near Titinot, Poonch, Chakandabak. There is another important line, the line of actual control. Originate during the period of Zhou Enlai and the Jawaharlal Nehru, the former Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The term LAC was first coined by Zhou Enlai in a letter write to the Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in 1959. It marked as the informal ceasefire line in 1962. LAC. It is an effective military boundary line between India and China. In 1962, China attacked India and capture Aksai Chin area. And in 1963, China declared a ceasefire but did not leave Aksai Chin area. Now it is termed as Line of Actual Control or LAC. This is the this is this area is the Aksai Chin area, and this is the Jammu Kashmir. This line is the LAC. There another information about LAC. The LAC is the length of LAC is 4057 km long. It traverses three areas of northern Indian states. First is the western sector, Ladakh and Kashmir. Second is the central sector, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, and another sector, eastern sector, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. This one is the western sector, this portion is the central sector, and this portion is the eastern sector of LAC. This line indicates the western sector of LAC. This yellow color indicates the central sector of LAC, and this one is the eastern sector of LAC. What is parallel? When we discuss about the parallel, so first of all we have to know about the parallel. Latitude is the measurement of distance north or south of the equator. It is measured with 180 imaginary lines that form circular around the earth, east to west, parallel to the equator. These lines are known as parallel. Actually, the line of latitude are called parallel. This is this image indicates the parallel. This line is the 60° 5' parallel, north parallel. This line is the Arctic Circle or 60° 5' south parallel. This line is the Tropic of Capricorn or 23° 5' south parallel. This line is the Tropic of Cancer or the 23° 5' north parallel, and this line is the equator or 0° parallel. 24th parallel. 24th parallel, according to the Pakistan, it is a boundary line between India and Pakistan in Great Run of Kutch, however, near Gujarat. However, India does not recognize it. This portion is Pakistan. This portion is India. This is the Run of Kutch of Indian. This line is the 24th parallel. When we discuss about the state, first of all we have to know about the state. A state is a narrow body of water that connect to larger water bodies of the water. This is the ocean bodies or lake or sea. This is the ocean bodies or lake or sea. A state. This is the state which is connected to big size of larger size of the water bodies. These water bodies, or this ocean is connected by the state. This line or connect by the this this is known as the states. If we see the Indian map, this line is the park state which is connected the Bay of Bengal in northeast, Bay of Bengal in northeast, with Park Bay in the southwest. This is Park Bay. This is Bay of Bengal, and this is Park Bay, which is connected by the Park Estates. The Park Estate is a state between the Tamil Nadu state of India and the Jaffna district of northeastern portion of the island nation of Sri Lanka. There another information about the Park Estate. It connects Bay of Bengal in northeast with the Park Bay in the southwest. This is the northeastern portion where the Bay of Bengal. This is the southwest portion where Park Bay in. This is the Park Bay. There another information about Park Bay. The state is named after Robert Park, who was a governor of Madras during the Company Raj period. Next, I discussed about the channel. A channel is a wide strait or waterway between two landmasses that lie close to each other. A channel can also be deepest part of a waterway. This is the landmass. This is the landmass. This is the channel. This is connected landmass 1 and landmass 2. So it is known as the channel. If we see this map and this map, there is this one is the landmass port. This one is the landmass. This one is the Little Andaman. This one is the Lower Andaman. Lower Andaman and Little Andaman is connected with the 11 degree channel. And if we see, there is the another channel, 10 degree channel, which is connected, which is connected between Car Nicobar and the Little Andaman. There is, if we see this portion, there is the Duncan Passage. The Duncan Passage between the Lower Andaman and the Little Andaman. There is the another channel, 10 degree. Next, Duncan Passage. Duncan Passage is a strait in the Bay of Bengal. It is about 40 km wide. It's separate Rutland Island, the part of Great Andaman and the Southern Andaman Administrative Division, and to the north, and Little Andaman to the south. West of Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal, and the eastern side of the Duncan Passage is the Andaman Sea, which already I shown in the previous part. It is lie within the exclusive zone of India, protected by the Integrated Tree Service, Andaman Nicobar Command of Indian Military. It sits between the sisters island of South Andaman Island and North Brother Island of Little Andaman, with a minimum depth 22.9 meter. Duncan Passage. This is the map shown the Duncan Passage. This is the Duncan Passage. This is the Duncan Passage. First, I discuss this 11 degrees channel. 11 degrees channel divide Amindivi and Konnade Island. This is the 11 degree channel Avindibi and Kunnare. This is 11 degree channel. Next I discuss the 10 degree channel. 10 degree channel is a channel that separated the Andaman Islands and Nicobar Island from each other in the Bay of Bengal. The 10 degree channel is a channel that separated the Little Andaman and Car Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. This line is the 10 degree channel. This is the Car Nicobar and this is the Little Andaman, which is separated by 10 degree channel. There another information about 10 degree channel. This channel is 150 km wide from north to south and approximately 10 kilometers long from east to west. If we see the 10 degree channel, it's wide from 150 kilometers. If we see this portion to this portion, this portion to this portion, the height of the 10 degree channel is 150 and the length of the 10 degree channel is 10 kilometer. Eastern portion to western portion, it long 10 kilometer. There is another channel 9 degree. The 9 degree channel separated Minicoy and Lakshadweep. The 9 degree channel is a channel in the Indian Ocean between the Lakshadweep's island of Kalpeni and Suheli Far, Minicoy Atoll or nearest to the Minicoy island. This line or this group of islands together with the Amindibi subgroup from the Indian Union Territory of Lakshadweep. The channel is approximately 200 km wide with a depth of 2597 meters. The Investigator Bank is located in the southern region of the channel. It is so named as it is line of 10 degree line of the latitude north of the equator. 9 degree channel. This map shown the 9 degree channel. This line is present at the 9 degree channel. 8 degree channel. The maritime boundary between the Maldives and India run through the 8 degree channel. It separated the island of Minicoy and Maldives. This pink color line represents the 9 degree channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you benefited this video tutorial, then you have to share more and more to your friends and subscribe this channel. Thank you.